Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Daily Payday. If you're looking to make the easiest money of your life, you've come to the right place. Now, today, I've got a new money making strategy for you guys. And trust me, it's as easy as the last ones. Now, here, you'll be able to make money online simply by reading. How easy is that? In this video, I'm going to show you. Teach you how to make $1,000 online simply by reading words. And you might be wondering why you should watch this video because first off, all these things I'm suggesting are completely free today. You don't have to give away your bank account and credit card details at all. Plus, they work all over the world. Finally, you'll learn everything you need to know to get started, including the process information and step-by-step strategy so you can start earning immediately after watching this video. You'll also see how much money you can make and how simple and easy it is. And you'll be sorry if you close these videos and miss out on this chance. Before we begin, please subscribe to our little channel Daily Payday and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll always be up to date with our latest money-making strategies. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, or maybe this was able to help you, then don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now, before I show you the step-by-step method, I want you to have a look at this so you can see how much money you can potentially make. I'm absolutely excited because this opportunity today is going to pay you so much money simply by reading it. I'll show you precisely how it works, and you don't need any prior experience, technical knowledge, or certifications to accomplish it. Now consider this. We can earn $1,000 in 40 minutes or up to 16 minutes, and we'll just calculate on the higher end. We'll need an hour, alright? 60 minutes and we'll make 1,000 consistently on the lower end. So if we divide 1,000 by 60 minutes, we get 16.67 every minute, which means you may make $16.67 per minute. If you do it for an hour, you can make $1,000. And I want you to think how that would change your life and how you would utilize that money because there is a lot of money in store for you here. And I'll teach you precisely how to accomplish it, but you must watch this video to the end and pay attention to every detail because I'll show you a few strategies on how to sign up, get approved, and make more money even if you spend less time. This is very important, and I want you to pay real close attention because a lot of people do it incorrectly and end up not making any money, and I certainly do not want that happening to you. Now, first and foremost, I want you to go to voices.com. Once there, you will notice that they have been featured in some really big companies that they worked with: Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, and the LA Times. As you can see, there are a lot of brands and organizations that are certainly real and pay individuals every day. You'll get all of your payments in PayPal money, direct to your bank account, and a variety of other methods that work in different countries. So basically, on this website, they'll provide you with a lot of various projects from different categories, and I'll show you which categories to choose from to get the most money, and you can also choose from the entire list of different projects. I'll also teach you how it works once you've chosen your preferred project. They'll provide you the script, the templates, the book, and all of the words which you'll have to read word for word and record, and they'll pay you the entire amount based on how long the project lasts. Now, this little thing, you can do it for 20 minutes, an hour, or 15 minutes. It all depends on you. But there are limited shops on these platforms since there are many websites out there where you can do something like this. But they are not as consistent, so you could not be making any money today because their employment is so restricted. The difference here in voices.com is that there are so many categories and tasks that you can take them up even if you only have 5 minutes a day. If you just have 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you can still choose specific jobs and make all of this money instantly by reading them. If you have a full-time job, you can just do it during your lunch break, driving home, whenever you like. All you need is a simple earphone on your phone which you can use to record using your voice. They're just going to utilize your voice on the ebook, on the audiobook, on the TV, on their movies, and they want to recruit individuals like you who can either talk real clear and read out all these words. We don't even have to write anything or even think at all. What we have to do is read all of the books and screenplays that they give us. That's all you need to do. If you think that's the best thing you've heard all day, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Daily Payday, and hit that notification bell. Alright then, let's get back to the website where I'll teach you how to sign up, as well as how to be verified, and how to select the best project that will pay you the most money, and how to apply for different tasks and get paid soon after viewing this video. So first thing you gotta do is to hover your cursor over the sign up icon in the top right hand corner and then click on it to bring up a new page where you may join up for free. Again, this is free, no bank account or credit card details required. Now here, you have two choices right now: hire talent or find work as a talent. In this scenario, we'll play the role of a voice actor and read the lines out. So we're gonna choose the second option and enter our name, email, and password. Next, agree to this and click continue. So once you've made your free account, you'll find a variety of tasks on your dashboard after you log in. There are several categories to choose from. Right now, I'm going to show you which categories have the most jobs. They're ideal for any beginner like you. Plus, they're available all over the world, and you can choose from them regardless of where you are. Now, following what we talked about, what I want to choose is audiobooks, which will pay you a lot of money. And then hit explainer videos, which will pay you the second most amount of money. And last but not the least, video games, which will pay you the third most amount of money. I want you to concentrate just on audiobooks, explainer videos, and video games because these are the top 3 categories with the most employment opportunities and pay the most money for the least amount of time spent working. For example here, we'll choose audiobooks. Once you click on it, a new page will open up showing the people that work online from all over the world and make money on Voices.com. They come from a variety of nations and there are so many job opportunities that you can get started on Voices.com by reading those scripts. Reading those words and getting paid depending on the hours that you work. If you want to make more money, you should choose work that lasts at least 60 minutes so that you may get paid $1,000 for each project you complete. Right now, I'm going to show you some of the job opportunities that are available once you log in. As you can see, they have a lot of jobs that you can start on. For example, they already have over 100 jobs here that you can choose from, and every day, they're going to keep refreshing this page so you can keep logging in and see which one you prefer. Now, Voices.com's most popular category is audiobooks. So let me show you a brief example of utilizing audiobooks and see how much they can pay. As you can see, $1,000 is generally spent on audiobooks as opposed to $100 or $125 for other jobs. When you finish reading those books, they'll send you all the scripts and templates, and all you have to do is read them out loud and record them on your phone, and you'll get paid $1,000. So whether you download the apps from Google Play Store or your App Store on your iPhone, this is how it will go. They will give you a script and you will be able to record it on your phone. Now the logo on app stores looks like this. You may download it for free and start working on it right now. As you can see, even if you're coming from different regions of the world, there are plenty of work opportunities for you. Okay, so that'll be all for today's episode of Daily Payday. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, then please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video.